And we will come to the kids program.
Thank you very much, Master of Ceremonies. I would like to welcome our parents and those students who are not here after Mass. I would like to join you in and welcome you and to greet you and I say good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to this graduation ceremony. I will be very brief so that our appetite is not eaten. You can eat an appetite, and when you go to eat, you find the food is not tasty, and you lose the food. So members of the board of directors of Team Star Uganda, the country principal, coordinator, and our Absentia, but we have his hard deputy present. You are most welcome. Our invited guests in your various capacities, our head teacher and your deputy, our staff of Our Lady of Consolata, our parents of Teen Star Uganda, for all those students who are here, Teen Star teachers present, and Teen Star students who have graduated today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure and a joy to be here with you this afternoon to witness the memorial graduation ceremony of our 284 students. This is the second time I am invited to officiate this ceremony. I would like to thank the school administration for inviting me to come and officiate this ceremony. Administrators, thank you very much. I would like to request each one of you to join me in congratulating our graduates who have followed the Teen Star curriculum and have graduated. My dear friends, I would like to congratulate you very, very much. On a happy note, I would like to congratulate these gentlemen. Thank you for braving it and for coming today to this Star. Congratulations. And I would like to congratulate the staff, especially the teachers of Teen Star. I will not probably use the word persuade or convince, for convincing other students to come and join us. Last year we said, go out. You who have graduated, bring other students to come and join us. Thank you for coming to join us. The numbers have gone up. I think last year we were 106. The number has doubled, and it has gone beyond double. We would like to congratulate you, students We would like to congratulate the parents who have accepted your children to join Team Star here at our wonderful school. Thank you for the courage. I thank you for the time you have put aside to follow the curriculum. I think you sacrifice your time. I thank the teachers who have been involved. I thank the country. There is a consultant. There is also a trainer. I would like to thank them for the time. I would like to thank Mr. Okenya. Mr. Okenya for following up the students, the male students. Please thank you very much. I would like to thank the parents for coming. Thank you for coming. Thank you for encouraging your students, your daughters and sons. Now, the curriculum of GenieStar, as I understand, helps the younger people understand who they are and why they are created. Realize the importance of the gift of fertility and its purpose in life. This education, my dear friends, is continuous. I would like to thank the head teacher, Mrs. Trezobo. I thank you and your administration and the staff for supporting and sustaining this GenieStar curriculum in this school, which helps and encourages the students to know what it is about and how they can protect themselves. And I'm grateful to the GenieStar teachers and other training teams for the job well done. I would like sincerely thank the headmistress and staff for the big effort of supporting this curriculum in this school. I think the headmistress is highly interested in this curriculum. Headmistress, thank you, extra thank you for that support and the sustenance of this curriculum. Right. Also, ladies and gentlemen, to join me in thank in absentia the principal country coordinator, Sister Teresa Angelo, for the dream she got to work with Dr. Cloud in Washington, how this GenieStar curriculum started for us here in the country. And I think it is spreading. And we are happy about it. We thank her for all the efforts. And we would like to ask the Deputy Principal Country Coordinator, Mr. Paddy here, to extend our thanks to Sister Teresa. Also, Dr. Klaus in absence, I'd like to thank her. She had a big dream. Right? This program, in coordination with Sister Teresa and the others, to have this curriculum started here in the country. It is spreading to various corners of the country, and we would like it to continue. And I pray that you pray, and we are able to get more sponsorship from various sponsors so that we continue this curriculum. You know what this program is about? We have our mission, which is to reduce the spread of HIV/AIDS by promoting the behavior and abstinence before marriage and the sexual facility within the marriage. And you are aware of our vision, which is to produce responsible and well-balanced citizens by creating an HIV/AIDS free generation. Some people are relaxed about HIV/AIDS. Some people are relaxed. I think this curriculum will help us to awaken ourselves so that we know what we should be doing. Once again, I would like to ask you graduates to talk to your fellow students about this program. Talk to your parents about this program, so that next year around this time when we are in this same hall, we shall not be only 284 graduating. Probably we might be about 500 graduating. And this will be a very big achievement to this school. You young men, be vigilant to talk to your fellow young men about this program, about the benefits. What is it for our future? We would like to have at least 80 students next year around this time in this same hall. We oblige you, please. Sister Teresa said, not Sister Teresa, she's also sister to us. Mchalo Teresa said most of the things in her address. I would like to stop there so that we can go for lunch. Some of us have answers. Some of us have answers. I would like to stop there by saying, once again, thank you for the courage, you graduates. Thank you to the headmistress for this organization. Thank the principal country coordinator for the planning and organization. And I thank the parents for coming. And in our sense, we have sent our message to Sister Dr. Anna Klaus for the efforts supporting in finding funders for this program. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for coming. And I would like to wish you a safe journey back home after our big lunch that is being prepared for us. I thank you.
That is not enough. Thank you.